Hey, this is Ramsey Duncan, and this is Not My Kitchen. Today we are making a gin martini with a lemon twist inspired by this mid-century modern, beautiful house that's for sale currently in Westlake, Austin, Texas. This cocktail is one of my favorites. I don't like martinis. This is perfect for the people that don't like martinis but still want to fit in with their martini drinker friends. So let's go make it. Hey guys, welcome in. So, I don't know if you guys have noticed from my last videos and the cocktails that I make, I try to put them on theme with the house that we're shooting in. And this one being a mid-century house with them keeping a lot of that mid-century aesthetic, it just reminds me of somebody that's like an academic, a professor, somebody that's gonna live here is gonna be really into reading and just quietness and stillness. We're in the hill country, we're in Westlake. So, what kind of drink does that person drink? And immediately thought of martinis. The problem with that is I hate martinis. So we're going to make a gin martini with a lemon twist. This is perfect for people that don't like the olive juice, don't like the extra dirty. So my wife and I made these recently. I made this one, she made a dirty martini. Works for both of us. All right, in order to make this cocktail, it's very easy, it's very simple. We are going to do 2 to 2.5 ounces of gin. And if you don't like gin, obviously you can use vodka, that's the traditional martini. Half of an ounce of dry vermouth. And this one, this is what's gonna give you your citrus flavors. It goes a long way. You do not need a ton of this. One little dash is perfect. I'm gonna drop a couple in there. But if you don't like it, the taste of orange or like heavy orange or heavy lemon, one drop is gonna be plenty in there. So, shake. Okay. So this house is mid-century modern, so it reminds me a lot of the Hollywood Hills meets Texas Hill Country. It's very mid-century, completely brought down to the studs, and it allows for a lot more modern features and brings out the mid-century vibe of the house. Originally built in 1963, they really stay true to that time period, and you'll see that as we show you through the house. This is great, and you're only about 15 minutes from downtown Austin. The location is perfect, it's great to raise a family, the school district is amazing. I can't recommend this enough. If you guys want more information on this house, please reach out, and I'll send everything over to you. But now that we've got our cocktail made, we need to add the twist. You can use a peeler for this. I don't like it because I usually end up cutting myself, so I'm going to go around. Cut those off. Now what I really want from this, I want the oils on the skin. So I'm gonna twist above the cocktail, twist on itself, and then boom, little twist. And that is a gin martini with a lemon twist. Let me give it a shot. Holy smokes, it's very good. Again, I hate martinis. And this is very, very good.